Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. And today I am playing with some papers. I am working with the digital kit from Marisa Lerin. Used to be Pixel Scrapper, but now it is digitalscrapbook.com. Super excited to be on her creative team over at Pixel Scrapper for Marisa Lerin. And this is October's, this is October's Good Life Kit. That is correct. It says, let's eat snacks all day. And there are super cute little kits. This is the printable kit that I'm working with. She has of course, the larger bundles that you can get, and I am also using just some washi that was gifted to me today. But the kit contains banners, stickers, the bundle. Now you can get so many images per day free. You can get 5 images per day. So head on over to digitalscrapbook.com, aka Pixel Scrapper. But Marisa Lerin is a designer, and she is the owner and founder of that. So I'm super excited to be on her creative team. And I'm kind of behind with my project, so that's why I kind of wanted to catch up, show you guys what I'm working on. This is a super cute kit. Look at these little pandas. I love these little pandas. Now, with the printable bundle, you will get, there's different sizes of the papers that you get. You get the stickers. Then if you get the big, huge bundle, which requires, a subscription, or it requires a purchase, then you will get all kinds of journaling cards. So this is not just for scrapbooking. This can be junk journaling, Bible journaling, of course, digital scrapbooking as well, along with printable scrapbooking. So there's tons of uses. If you like paper crafts, go check them out. All the links will be down below. And I get free kits. That's my disclaimer. I do get free kits to do a project and to share it on social media. So there's my disclaimer. So this is the free kit that I got, was the printable kit. And here are some of the pages. She has started to include some mixed media pages, 8.5 by 11 sheets, and then traveler's notebook size sheets. So yes, so any junk journaler, art Bible journaling, just tons of uses. Scrapbooking, memory keeping. There are tons of things over at digitalscrapbook.com. But anyway, this is what, this was some of the mixed media pages. Oh, I just shrunk them down to fit 4 to a page. And I'm using them as like little journaling cards. I'm using them as like a backdrop to stamp some of my stamps on. So yeah, so I'm cutting out the little items. I have used some of my hemp rope. Actually, this is jute rope, I should say. I've created a card so far on the front. I love creating cards around this type of season because of all the holidays and things coming up. I did put some washi tape there at the top and the bottom, and then I used some buttons for my little, I guess, spine decor there. It is just a traveler's notebook size journal that I created, sort of like a signature, traveler's notebook signature. It is with the dory style, where you just have the string tying off all the pages together so that I can add. And this opens up a card. It's blank. It's for me to write a note, a remembrance note, or I can do a photo mat and add photos, whatever I wanted to do. I did leave the little rainbow out. All these are glued down. And then this is a pocket. I do have a tag from the kit. I backed it on some leftover junk cardstock. So this is a hybrid junk journal. There is junk in here made from junk supplies for a junk journal. Some old game pieces, a coffee sleeve is what they call them. That's some tickets. And then I created another card. It has a tag. This was from an old box of cereal. Looks like an old cereal box. And then this is Oh, I am very fancy. I love how she has included some black words. I love those little black sentiments. And then this actually just comes out, or supposed to here. Was supposed to be a tuck, and I think I accidentally glued it in there. Oh, no, it's stuck. Ew. Okay, so... Okay, woohoo! Oh, it tore it a little bit. That's okay, I'll fix it. So that can come out, and then this was to... Yeah, there we go. There we go. This was supposed to hold that in, but we're good. Beautiful butterfly paper in the background. Look at this. I printed on double-sided this time, straight from the kit. So look at all these beautiful papers. I'm not done embellishing the pages yet, as you can see. I have added some junk supplies in here to make it a hybrid, but you most certainly could turn this into a true junk journal, and then just add some of the pages as embellishments, cards, tucks, corner tucks, things like that. This is one I thought about putting here. Sorry for the noise. I love these moons, and this is happy moments, and I can write down, but I'm going to stick that there. And I've added these are coin rolls. I've added some here, but look at these. And the cute little pumpkins. Now, the bundle contains tons, beautiful, like over 40 something pages normally. So there's tons of different pages. I just chose the ones that I liked, that kind of went together, that they all go together, but for my papers that I have chosen. This is a pattern book. It is a vintage pattern book that I added in there because of the colors went really super well, and because during this time usually there are people who start sewing and making costumes and things like that. So I thought that would be super cute to add that in. Here is a music sheet, and hopefully it did. Okay, yeah, it worked. As a journaling, and I think it's German or French music sheet. I can't remember. But I have added, some of those game piece cards and things like that. It is movable right now because, like I said, it is just tied in with the string. So it is movable, or that I can add more pages, take pages out, and things like that. But she is adding some more mixed media to her kits. So I'm super excited about that. This is an envelope that came, I don't know, somewhere. I thought it was super cute. It's a craft color envelope. And there is a pocket. I always like to put pockets in. Now, this one is not double-sided because this was part of her mixed media pages. That was an add-on. So that's separate from the main kit. This is the main kit here. But I love these pages. I did print them double-sided this time. It saved me some time. Look at these beautiful vintage butterflies. Look at those. And it goes really well. Now, I just used a piece of craft cardstock as the cover. I didn't reinforce the cover, but as you can see, it's just a string. Now, normally I would sew in the pages, but I thought that some of you who are beginners who would like to just see some created simple and easy, quick and fast, this is a quick and fast way, and especially now that Marisa has the print PDFs where you just print, cut, and create with them. So go check it out. I did make some cards. I did make some other ones here. I'll show you from the kit. This says cup full of pumpkin, and I thought this was super cute. I didn't have any double-sided adhesive foam tape. I didn't have any to pop up these, but hopefully it will still be, it's kind of flat. But anyway, and it is a pocket, as you can see, because I love pockets. So I can add a tag there or whatever. It's just a card that I can add wherever, or just send it like this. Super cute. Cup full of pumpkin. And then here is one that my daughter created. It is from an envelope. And you just, she just cut an envelope and made a little trifold open thing there. She loves pandas, so this was hers. So that's not going in the book, and neither is this one. This one might accompany the book, to whoever gets this journal, because as you know, I donate all of my journals, the majority of my journals that I create. That's why you don't see them written in. That's why you don't see them with pictures or photos, because I donate all of my journals, most of them, sorry, the camera is shaking, to the Junk Journal Ministry. And if you're like me and you create a lot of projects, a lot of journals, a lot of pockets, and you don't know what to do with them, check out the links down below, because the Junk Journal Ministry is trying to expand over all out through the U.S. And then we also ship internationally when we can. We started out shipping internationally. The very first journal went to the United Kingdom. So I'm super, super excited. So the Junk Journal Ministry has been going for quite a few years now. So I'm super excited. We're still going, even though places are limited. But I wanted to show you this kit. So if you don't know what to do with all your leftover journals and you want to donate them, please check out the links down below as a gift of love from you. So check out the printable links down below as well. And check out Marisa's link for digitalscrapbook.com. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that I have inspired you to create. It doesn't take a whole lot of things to create. If you've got newspapers, junk mail, it's considered good junk supplies. And you saw the things that I included in mine. So I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day, and happy crafting.